It is not uncommon for external relays to experience accidental openings due to vibration or accidental contact. This can occur even if the relay is normally closed, as the contact points can be sensitive to external forces. Considering relay setup. Firstly, for a normally closed relay configuration, the relay contact is normally closed and opens when the relay is activated. This means that any accidental opening of the contact will result in an interruption of power to the uninterruptible power supply, or UPS. Secondly, for a normally open relay, or no, configuration, the relay contact is normally open and closes when the relay is activated. This means that an accidental opening of the contact will not affect the power supply to the UPS. In terms of recommendations, firstly, use a normally open relay. Most UPS manufacturers recommend using a normally open relay for the emergency power off, or EPO, function to eliminate the risk of accidental power interruptions. Secondly, use a relay with a protective cover. Relays can be equipped with protective covers to prevent accidental contact or tampering. Thirdly, secure the relay enclosure. The enclosure housing the relay should be properly secured to minimize vibration or movement. Fourthly, regularly inspect and test the relay. Scheduled inspections and testing can identify and address potential issues with the relay contacts. Additional considerations include investigating the cause of the accidental contact that opened the relay contact. This could involve reviewing the layout of the room, identifying potential sources of vibration, and interviewing the personnel who were present at the time. If the relay is deemed to be faulty or unreliable, it should be replaced immediately. It is also recommended to consider installing a redundant relay system to provide fail-safe protection against accidental interruptions. Vibration can affect relay contacts, leading to unintended operations. Even if a relay is designed to be normally closed, external forces can momentarily disrupt the connection. In a normally closed configuration, the relay contact is closed under normal conditions and it opens only when the relay is activated, typically by a signal from a control system. This setup is vulnerable because any accidental opening will cut off power to the UPS. Conversely, a normally open relay remains open until activated. This means that if the relay experiences an accidental opening due to vibration or contact, the UPS will continue to operate uninterrupted. To mitigate these risks, consider these strategies. Firstly, switching to a normally open relay configuration provides a significant advantage. If the relay were to open accidentally, the UPS would not be affected. This is why many UPS manufacturers recommend this setup for EPO functions. Secondly, using relays equipped with protective covers adds a physical barrier against accidental contact. These covers prevent personnel or objects from inadvertently touching the relay contacts, reducing the likelihood of unintended operations. Thirdly, securing the relay enclosure is crucial to minimizing vibration. Ensure that the enclosure is mounted firmly and is isolated from sources of vibration within the UPS room. Fourthly, regular inspections and testing of relays can identify potential issues before they lead to UPS shutdowns. Check for loose connections, corrosion, and signs of wear or damage. Finally, consider installing a redundant relay system to provide a fail-safe backup. If one relay fails, the redundant relay will automatically take over, preventing a UPS shutdown. The underlying cause of accidental contact needs to be identified and addressed. Examine the room layout for potential sources of vibration, such as nearby machinery or equipment. Also, interview personnel who were present when the incident occurred to gather information about any unusual activities or events that may have contributed to the problem. If the relay is suspected to be faulty, replace it with a new, reliable unit immediately. Regular maintenance and monitoring are essential to prevent future UPS shutdowns.